Hey guys, today I'm back with these Wednesday Addams nails, and I absolutely love the Addams family. I'm a huge fan, especially Wednesday and Morticia, they're so glamorous. Before I did these, keep watching. So I started off applying some clear polish to my mat. And then on my index and, no actually it's on all of my fingers, I painted with this light grey polish. 2 coats. And then with my Mayu London Festive 62 plate, I just stamped these stripes. And stamped them straight on my mat. And then with that with a medium grey polish, I just painted the stripes. And then with a darker grey polish, I painted the stripe next to it. And then I just repeated this every other stripe, so that the base colour would shine through the stripes that I haven't painted. If that makes sense. And then once that was dry, I just peeled it off my mat, cut off the excess I don't need, and applied it to my nail, just rubbing it in flat. And then with an acetone clean-up brush, just to seal that decal to my nail. And then with that same plate from earlier, I just stamped the Wednesday Addams. And then I applied a white polish for her eyes, and her collars, and her hairbands. And then a dark grey polish for her hair at the bottom. And a pale nude colour, because she's very white, for her skin. And then I applied a foil glue to my nail, and just stamped that decal on when it was dry. And then with that same plate, I just stamped this resting witch face, and stamped that on my ring in the middle finger, I think. And then I applied a smudge resistant top coat to all of my nails. And there you go, my Wednesday Addams nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!